Welcome back, everybody. So glad you could be with me here today. Walter at the workbench doing the things. So I ran the stop moldings through the table saw at 45 degrees to take off the bulk of the chamfer. So what I'm doing now is I'm just taking the saw marks off just with my little ECE block plane. Remember, this is Hemlock. It will give you splinters, and it will not even think about it. So that is why it's sort of important when you're working with woods that are prone to giving splinters to being careful, but getting rid of anything that could give you splinters in the future. And that's why this chamfer is so important. Because you could be reaching to open a door and just catch your finger on the corner of the stop molding right here, and you will have yourself a splinter. So that one's done, that one's done. So I hope you're having a great day. With this, grain direction is very important. And I thought I'd just bring you along for this little task. It's nothing important. It's only as important as getting these stop moldings in place before the winter gets here. It's only been about 39 years in the making. What's another day or two, right? As I mentioned in another video, hemlock is a very underrated wood. Here we go. That's another one. Another one done. One more to go. And make sure we're going in the right grain direction. I think this one goes the other way. So what do you have going on? Any projects for this fall? Things you need to button up before winter gets here? So if most of you know, this plane is a single iron block plane, no chip breaker. It is beveled down. It's just a little tiny smoothing plane. And if you have it sharpened and set, it works beautifully, as you can tell. So that's about all for this one. Next up is going to be the Lee Nielsen plane inspection. Out of the box. Come on back. Like, subscribe, and share. Head out to your shop. Go make some shavings. Walter out.